Hello student, our today grammar topic is punctuation for class 2. In this video we will learn about punctuation marks. First we will know what is punctuation. The correct use of marks is called punctuation. Punctuation marks our expression clear and easy to understand. Punctuation mark like capital letter, full stop, question mark, comma and exclamation mark. Let's start with the first one, capital letter. Capital letter is used when we begin a new sentence. Example, Ria is my friend. She is very kind. Whenever we begin a sentence, we always write capital letter. Second one is full stop. A full stop is used at the end of a complete sentence. A complete sentence means a sentence which has a proper meaning. It makes sense. Example, these are fresh apples. Here we are putting a full stop at the end of sentence. As the sentence complete is given proper meaning and also it start with a capital letter. Second example, Delhi is the capital of India. Again this sentence ending with full stop and beginning with a capital letter. Now coming to third one, question mark. The sign of a question mark is here in the brackets as you can see. It is used after direct question when we asking a question to someone and it's a direct question, we end with a question mark. For example, what is your name? Here we are ending the statement with a question mark. We are asking the person what is his name. In second example, how old are you? Again here you can see a question mark at the end of the statement and we are asking the person how old he is. Coming to the next one is comma. Comma indicates a pause. Whenever in a sentence we have to give a pause, we use a comma. We can separate items in a series if in a sentence we are mentioning too many items and they are of a same series and same time we separate them using comma. For example, I bought a pen, comma, pencil, comma, eraser and notebook from the market. Now here pen, comma, pencil, comma, eraser and notebook, all these are same series word. They express the same word or same things. So we use this comma. The last punctuation mark that be study is an exclamation mark. The exclamation mark sign for exclamation mark here you can see in the brackets on an exclamation mark. It used when we express strong feeling and surprise. For example, what a lovely rose. So here person is expressing his strong feeling. Another example, I am so happy for you. So again the person is showing his happiness, the feeling of happiness. So it's ending again with the exclamation mark. So that's all for today. I hope you understood this punctuation mark. Thank you.